Hi, I'm Katie.
I'm Elliott.
And we worked with Cabinet S-Tops to do our remodel of the kitchen. We came across Cabinet S-Top at IX Center, and we went there never ever having remodeled anything, so we didn't really know what to expect. We just wanted to talk to people, and we talked to many different companies, and honestly, right there and then, we immediately walked out of there being like, I like this Cabinet S-Top.
We met our designer, Michelle, there, and we really enjoyed talking with her.
Yes, she was excited, and she was showing us examples of past projects, and just out of everyone we talked to, really seemed as excited as we were about the project. So we had a couple different people come with quotes, and still Cabinet S-Tops was just
the
front runner. Yeah, most professional, great ideas, just really excited about the project, and we went ahead and chose them. The kitchen has totally transformed and it's better than I even expected. Other than obviously aesthetics are one thing, but I would say functionality. I personally really love the sink. The sink was a huge issue in our previous design.
Going from like a little, not a double sink, but just a sink that was kind of cluttered to a bigger single sink was amazing.
Yes.
Getting, again, sensibly placed. Our stove used to be here and had no venting, and being able to get a stove that now has venting was a huge change. We have space. We had an island that took up most of the room, and 2 people could be in here, maybe. Now we're up to 6.
Or more.
Yeah.
And the layout and the cabinet placement and cabinet options of that Michelle and team suggested for us, especially having a smaller kitchen, have just really helped us maximize space, and everything is now so easy to get to. We're not, scrummaging around, big cabinets on the floor. We've got the nice drawers and for pots and pans, and everything is just so well organized that we have more cabinet space than I thought was
we ultimately gained space,
yes.
Even though we thought we would lose it.
Yes, for sure. And I will say, I have to give Cabinet S-Tops mad props for this. I had very particular and non-practical thoughts for this for the backsplash, and I was so grateful to Michelle, because not only, even though it wasn't probably the easiest thing to install, she was so thorough in talking with the contractors to make sure, is this going to be done right? Is this going to accomplish? Can we install it? What are pros and cons of it? And she was so thorough in her own research and making sure we were aware of, it's marble, so possible setbacks. And I was really, really grateful for that, because it is beautiful.
Michelle found the lights that have outlets in them, so we don't have to have outlets that ruin the backsplash. We can have. So that was a really great.
Huge. She came up with great options, so we didn't have to have switches. Yeah, all lighting, everything under here for the sink. She came, proposed to us the idea of the button for the garbage disposal, and that's also probably one of my favorite things.
Don't forget the step stool, because we're short.
Yes, we installed here because we are shorter. We did floor, we moved all the cabinets up to the ceiling, so this is used every single day, multiple times a day. So she just was great with coming up with creative ways, solutions to problems, and creative ideas for the kitchen.
Yeah.